Okay, on day three, one pager, you guys are responsible for creating a photo gallery section on your home page and also in the photo gallery section. So there's different types of photo galleries that you can build into your websites. On W3 Schools, they offer a whole list of them that you can go through and figure out how to install. But the one I'm going to show you today is just a three-column image gallery that we're going to add under our home page section. Um, so how you start this off is you're going to download a set of images that's available at this link here. So click on that. And then you're going to place those images into your folder. So once you download the images, it'll go to your downloads folder. So here's your downloads folder. You're going to take all those images that's in here and put them into your images folder for your website. So here's your images folder here. You simply download, unzip the files, and highlight all images here and drag and drop them over here. Boom. So we're done with the installation of your images. So after that, we're going to go over to our homepage section and we're going to install a three-column gallery. So here's the code for the three-column gallery. If you look, it's separated into div tags. Divs are divisions, right? Each div tag has a class of row and columns, right? So we only have one row for this particular gallery, and we have three columns. Inside those columns, we have image tag, and inside those image tags, we have image1.jpg, and then in the second column, image2.jpg and image3.jpg. So if you look in your folder with your images, each one of those images exists here. Image 1, image 2, image 3. Icon.jpg we'll talk about later on, and we're going to build that into something else, but just keep that in the reserve. So right now you have all your code. You don't need to do anything else but copy and paste. So Command C, look for your home section, go underneath your paragraph, make sure you don't put it after the closing tag for the home section, and you simply paste it in. That's it. Now as far as like stylizing it, if I save this and open it right now, this is what it looks like. So I have three large images on my site. That's not what I'm looking for. I want three thumbnail images across my site. So you look at the tutorial for day 3. We want something like this across our page. So in order to get that, we need to stylize it using CSS, of course. So in here, here are some different percentages on how to set up your columns and stuff like that, and your containers. So we're going to use the CSS here. I'm going to add it in by simply copying and pasting it. And if you look at it, well, let's include it first. It has the ID of home, so this only applies to the home section. And then in each one of them, they have column. So home.column, which is a class. That column floats left, the first one, within the row, and then they all follow. So we're going to look at it. It basically displays it as a table. And then I have my image itself inside of my columns wrapped with a border of a solid white. So we can change that to any color that we want eventually. So if I save this now, I shouldn't have three large images anymore. I should have three small images underneath my home section. And this is what it should look like. So that's what it should look like. Let's double check because I think I may have added something in that through off the design. So let's make sure that everything is aligned correctly. But anyway, so here is what it looks like so far. Make sure you get all the content for each one, and it should display as a table. I just want to make sure that we did everything correctly. So once you have your images in there, it should be aligned in one row. If not, we can troubleshoot it later on in class. Down here, I want you guys to actually navigate to W3 Schools. And in there, they have a whole list of different galleries you can add. So I want you to try one of these galleries out in your photo section, your photo gallery section of your site. And this is what the page looks like in here. So if you scroll through this, they have light boxes, they have overlay, there's different ones in here, and it shows you how to install it. Take a look at any one of these in here and build it into your particular design today. Alright, have a great day. Bye.